Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to say about the topic do not do 3 things in the bathroom. Let's get started. Never feel ashamed of any aspect of Islam, regardless of what it entails. Take inspiration from Salman, may Allah be pleased with him, and his interaction with the disbeliever who harbored ill feelings towards the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When asked whether the Prophet taught them everything, even how to use the toilet, Salman, may Allah be pleased with him, responded in the affirmative. He proudly stated that the Prophet indeed provided guidance in this matter. He explained that the Prophet forbade 3 things when using the bathroom. Firstly, he prohibited facing the qiblah, the direction of the prayer, during the urination or defecation. Secondly, he discouraged using the right hand for cleaning. Thirdly, he advised using at least 3 wipes when cleaning oneself after using the toilet. This incident exemplifies how Islam underscores the importance of cleanliness and purification. It teaches us to maintain cleanliness not only for minor impurities like using the toilet, but also for major impurities like menstruation or sexual intimacy. To achieve this, we should have a clear intention to perform the ritual shower, that is Ghusl. We begin by saying Bismillah in the name of Allah and wash our hands 3 times. Then clean the private part with the left hand and wash our and ensuring the left hand is adequately cleaned is essential. Afterwards, we make a wudu just as we do for prayer. Following that, we pour 3 handful of water over our head and body. Scrubbing the head is emphasized in some narrations. After this process, we wash the rest of our body. It is also a sunnah to make a supplications after completing the purification. Remember to ensure that water covers the entire body, including areas like the underarms. While it may be challenging at times, particularly with cold water or early mornings, bear in mind that Allah loves those who maintain cleanliness and purity. May Allah grant us the wisdom and understanding to fulfill this aspect of our faith with dedication. Thank you for joining. If you feel my video is informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.